Hello everyone. Today we will be learning about TuxPaint software. So I have opened TuxPaint software. So let us start with Shapes tool. I am clicking on this Shapes tool option. As you can see on the right hand side, the first column is of unfilled shapes and the second column is of filled shapes. So I am creating one circle that is unfilled. Then I am creating one triangle and it is filled with color, as you can see here. Okay, so these are about shapes. Different shapes are there. You can take different shapes and you can create them like this, and you can choose the color from the bottom, as you can see here. Okay, now the next tool is eraser tool. As you use eraser in MS Paint, similar work of eraser is there here also. As you can see, different types of erasers are there. I am using small eraser. See, with this help of small eraser I can erase everything. Alright, now the next tool is new tool. Like you take new page, similar is the new tool. See here, this is the new tool. I am clicking on it. Now there are colorful pages, so you can take any page of your choice and you can double click it and then click on no, don't bother saving, and then you can use this page. So this is the use of new tool. You can take colorful pages. Okay, now let's understand what is edges effect. So for edges effect, first of all I will take one blank page. Then I will, as per explained in the book, I am creating one shape. I am going to shapes option. Then I am creating one pentagon which is filled with color. Okay, here is the pentagon. Now what I have to do, I have to go to the magic tool option. Then I have to choose which option, edges effect. Okay, let's select the edges effect. It will be in E. Here it is. Now I am dragging this over this shape. Now see carefully what is happening. Only the edges of the shapes are left. That is, the outside part of the shape is left. Okay, so this is about edges effect option, means the edges are left only. Now next option, next tool is drip magic tool. Now how to use this drip magic tool? For that, let me take the text tool. This one, ABC tool, is the text tool, and you can choose any font style from here. And I am writing hello. Okay, as I have written hello, you all can see. Now I am going towards the magic tool and I am clicking on the drip option. Now slightly I am clicking over here. See the difference. The text is, as you can see, the text is sprinkled. Okay, water is sprinkled on the text. So this is the effect of drip magic tool. Now let us understand the foam effect. For foam effect, what we can do, we first of all we will take a colorful drawing. Any color you can take. Suppose I have taken blue color. You can take any other color. Now what we have to do, you have to go to the magic tool option and you have to choose the foam effect. From here, from the right hand side, you have to choose the foam effect and see, these are the foams. I can drag it more so you can see these are the foam effect. Means like our mother adds washing powder to the water, so similar kinds of foam will appear here also. All right. Now let us understand the grass effect option. So first of all, you have to click on the magic tool and then choose the grass effect from the list. Okay, and make the grasses. See, like this. As green color was already selected, you can choose the dark green color also as per your choice, and see. These are the grasses, isn't it? So this is the grasses we have made here. Now let us understand that what is the vine tool, where you will find this vine tool option as mentioned in the book. So that you will get in the paint tool. First of all, click on the paint option, then drag downwards. See here, this is the vine tool option. Now see the difference. Okay, I am making it here. Suppose I want to make a tree. So with the help of this vine tool, I can make the tree like this. Okay, these are the leaves of the tree. As you can see the difference. Now the next one is flower. Okay, flower tool. Flower tool you will find in magic tool only. See here, there is an option of flower tool. I am clicking on it. You can choose the color of the flower of your choice. Okay, any color flower you can choose and you can simply create it. See here. So this is the flower tool. Okay. Now the next is starfish shape. It will come in the paint tool itself. Go to the paint and see here. These are the starfish shape. Any color you can choose, any color you can take of starfish. Okay, whatever you want. Now the next topic is rainbow and real rainbow. For that you have to come to the magic tool itself and let's find out the rainbow and real rainbow. First of all, I am drawing the rainbow. I have selected and see here. This is the rainbow option. Okay, now I am clicking on the real rainbow. See, the second figure is of real rainbow. I think you all can see the difference. I have created 2-3 rainbows here. So now you can see these are the real rainbows and the one I drawn before is the rainbow effect. Okay. Now the next is noise effect. From where you will find this noise effect option? In magic tool only there is an option of noise. Right. So you can choose from this and you can listen with the speakers on. Now the next effect is a smudge effect. For that, first of all, I am taking a new blank page, white page. Okay. Now in this white page, I have to create 2 balls as shown in the book. So 2 filled circles I will be creating. One yellow is there. So this is yellow I have drawn. Now second is of blue. Now second blue I have drawn, but I have drawn close to each other. Okay, 2 circles are close to each other. Now what I have to show? Smudge effect. So let's go to the magic tool and let's choose the smudge effect option. See here, in the list smudge effects is there, and what you have to do, students, you have to simply place the smudge tool here. See, as I told you, the way you mix 2 watercolors, so that kind of effect will appear. See here, this is the smudge tool option. Okay. Now let's understand the waves effect and wavelets effects. For that, let me take another new page and let me take off blue color this time. Okay. So this is the blue color page. Now to understand the waves effect, you take the paint tool and you can simply draw any different color on the corners like this. Okay. So any tool you can take in the paint from the paint option and you can draw drawing like this and leave some part in the blue area only. Alright. Now what we have to do? Now we have to click on the magic tool option and then choose waves option. Let's drag it. Let's move towards the waves option. See here. Okay. And I have to just see. Now these are the waves. Like you see waves in water. So similar kinds of waves are present here. Okay. Now let's click on the wavelet effect and now see the difference. See. Wavelet effect. See, this is wavelet effect, and what earlier I have shown you, that was the wave effect. Okay. Wavelet effect is vertical up and down movement and wave effect is forward and backwards. That is the horizontal movement. Alright. So this is all about the chapter. That is chapter number 3. That is more on tux paint.